Okay, Flutes bonus video today for Thursday. And with this one, we are officially caught up. You've got a video to study for each day of the break. And so you can go in and look at all the videos and get up with where we ought to be. We are finishing, this is exciting, we're finishing part 3 today. So tomorrow we're going on to part 4. We are on part 3.38, page 25, 3.38. Now, these are some long lines. And first of all, we have something sort of new here in the first one. They call it multiple measure rest, okay? Group rest, another term for it. All right, when you see the big wide block, look at 338 with a number over it. That's how many measures of rest you have in a row. Instead of writing 3 individual measures of rest, they put that little block there, they put a 3 over it, and you count 3 measures of rest. So we're in 4/4 time, you're going to count to 4 3 times. I'll show you how to do that when we get there. Then later on at 13, you have a 2 measure rest. And so you count to 4 twice before you go on. Now there's a lot going on this line. You have, because this is a little band piece. This is like a little band piece for us to play like on a concert. You have first and second endings twice, which means you also have interior repeats. So you're not going back to the beginning. You're going back and forth to those repeats. Let's talk our way through it very quickly. So we're in the key of E flat, 3 flats, B flat, E flat, A flat. 4/4 time, forte here at the beginning. We have the multiple measure rest at 5. We go to mezzo forte. I'm in the second line. Then we crescendo to forte. At 13, we have a first of a repeat and a 2-bar rest. Then there's the first ending. Then that leads us to a repeat. So we go back to 13 again, rest for 2 measures, jump to the second ending where there's actually another measure rest. Then you have some forte notes, and now we're at 19 where there's another repeat sign. So you play 19 for 4 measures, and there's your first ending repeat. Back to 19, we play 3 measures, skip to the second ending. That leads us to 24. We have mezzo forte, eventually crescendo to forte, and then we end the song with a fermata. There's a lot going on there. I wish I could play along with you on it, okay? But the best I can do is show you about that first bar, so. And it goes up to the high B flat, yeah? Okay. La, ready, here we go. 2 and ready and go. B flat, B, B, B flat, B flat, D, 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 F, F, B flat, B flat, 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 2 and 3 and 4. 3, 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. B, 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 E flat, F, G, G, A, B flat, B, B, A, G, F, E flat, G, E flat, rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2. G, F, E flat, D, C, rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 2 and 3 and second ending. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. B, 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 B flat, B, B, B flat, B flat, B, 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 B flat, B, B, B flat, B flat, B, 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 repeat. B flat, B, B, B flat, B flat, B flat, B, B, B flat, B flat, B flat, B, B, B flat, second ending. B flat, B, B, B flat, rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. B, 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 E flat, G, G, F, D, B flat, B, B, B flat, B, B, B flat, B, B, E flat, F, G, G, A flat, B flat, B, A, G, F, E flat, rest. G, rest. E flat, fermata. Now, if bits of that sounds familiar, it's because you know that little tune. It's called the William Tell Overture, but you know it from commercials, and if your parents are hanging around, they may know it as the theme from the Lone Ranger. it doesn't sound complete because this is a band arrangement and you don't have all the notes. You have bits of it in there, and other instruments have the other bits. So when we get to play together sometime, it'll all fit together into a song. All right? So a lot going on there, but you stay on that high B flat an awful lot, so that makes it easier. All right, how about 3.39? And this is it. This is going to finish part 3 for us. Let's talk our way through this. We are, again, in the key of E flat, 3 flats, B flat, E flat, A flat, 3/4 time, forte. We have a two measure rest, and we're going to count to 3 twice now, this time, because there's 3 beats in a bar. All right, now at 7, it says second time only. So if we were playing this with the whole band, you would just rest for the whole first time through. And then when it repeats back to 7, you would play it. We're going to go ahead and say it both times and play it. You're by yourself. Go ahead and practice those notes. Play it both times. All right. 15, you have 3-bar rest. Come back in at mezzo forte. We crescendo into 23. 23 is forte. We have accents, a lot of high notes, and it ends on an accented E flat. All right. So here's our first note, the E flat. This is an original composition. This isn't you're not going to recognize this little tune. 1, 2, and ready, and go. E flat, E, 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 B flat, B flat, B flat, E, E, E flat, E flat, B flat. 1, 2, and 3, and 2, and 2, and 3, and E, 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 E flat, G, F, G, B flat, B, C, D, E, C, D, E flat, B flat, A flat, G, E flat, C, B flat. 1 and 2 and repeat. E flat, E, 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 E flat, F, G, B flat, B, C, D, E, C, D, E flat, B flat, A flat, G, E flat, C, B flat. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 2 and 3. 3 and 2 and 3 and E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, A flat, G, E flat, C, B flat, C, D, E, F, G, A flat, B flat, E, 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 B flat, B flat, B flat, E, E, E flat, E flat, B flat, A flat, B flat, A flat, G, E flat, C, E flat, B, 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 E flat. So I lost the thread on the singing along through there, but that's mainly you want to practice saying it and moving those fingers. And don't be afraid to practice this in chunks. Do the first 4 bars, then do 7 to 15. You get that down, do the 15 to 23. Practice it. That's why the rehearsal marks are there, to break it up for you. So break it up, practice little bits. When you think you got the song done, push record. When you get this done, you will have finished Opus 3. And that is awesome. We are halfway through the book, essentially. And we are moving on now tomorrow to Opus 4. Very cool. See y'all then.